it is really hard to find night crawlers or worms during the day. I actually got another one during the day because they are afraid of light, so they get like a little sunburn from the sun, so they don't come out. But as you can see, it's raining. When it starts to rain, actually nobody knows why, but they escaped. They come out of the ground even during the day and use the water as like a sun protection to go somewhere else. Yeah, maybe on the other side of a road or something. And people actually don't know to this day why they escape the ground. Some think that you know, the sound of the rain, like tuk, 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 makes the same sound of the, I don't know how you call it in English, but of this guy, so they escape. Other think that they use the moment to just go somewhere else and find a new place where they can stay. So they cross the street or somewhere else. Just see this guy down there? You just have to pick him up. Oh, damn, that's a nice one. Check this out. Okay, let's find some worms. There's one. He escaped. Okay, there's another one right in front of me, but he's afraid of the light. It's really bright, and the best light to do it is when you got I think back in the days they had like those army flashlights where you could put an orange filter or red filter, so the light turns in a different color. And they are afraid of the white light because they think it's sunlight, and sunlight is like giving them a sunburn, you know, like a nice tent. But it's bad for them. They actually die. It's okay, I'm gonna check. I'm gonna turn the light a little down. Oh, it was low. Okay. See the shining? Oh, and he's gone. Right there where my shadow is at. I got him. Okay, now I just keep on to him and give him a second, and he'll all right. Let me actually show you how you can easily hook the worm. What I do is I leave like maybe an inch or centimeters out, and I hook him the first time. Just a simple, if you're gonna see this, just with a hook. Then I'm gonna let it like another inch, then I hook him second time, and then I do one more time. I usually do only 3 hooks, and this is a small worm, but if you're gonna have a bigger one or longer one, you're gonna, you know, the end is gonna be very, very long. I usually rip it off and take it for a second time. Actually, I don't want this one. It's like sometimes he's short and sometimes he's long. I hooked him one more time. All right. And if I get a bite, it's just gonna jump up and I'm gonna pull. So this is like a, just like that. Oh, fish on, I think fish on. Yeah, fish on. Check that out. Oh, damn. Let's try to repeat this one more time, but maybe with a bigger fish.